This video is about a service I got from George to clean the exterior of the house, including the rain gutters. As you can see here on the windowsill, it's still very dirty. Come over to the siding itself, still very dirty. Talked to him about it. The original bid was for $911, if I remember. He reduced it to $770, which I paid him in cash. Hold on, I want to show another item, which we didn't notice until afterwards. Everywhere, it's still dirty. It's like a film is on it everywhere. And then over here, we noticed that there's actually, if you can see it, like bleach marks throughout, where it like damaged the finish. It's bleach spots. Even when they were doing it, we were concerned when we went outside, the immense odor of bleach. But the real kicker was that we had a railing on the front of our house. Well, this was it too. Didn't move up the plants. Got bleach all over them. But damaged the railing in the center. He promised he'd come back and repair it. That I could pay him in full and he'd be back to repair it. They came back twice. Said the weather wasn't allowing it. He would come back. Didn't come back. Sent him a message saying I wanted a refund. No response. Do not work with this company. They're scammers.